Hello, Sarah, One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, and welcome back to our Google Ads Ultimate Checklist for e-commerce. Talking about, in these few videos, we're talking about ad extensions. And in this checklist item asks if you are using structured snippet extensions. So let me just show you what a structured snippet looks like. So here we have this second ad down here. You'll see that at the end here we have services and then the colon, and then it's listing PPC, programmatic, display, analytics, paid social, blah, blah, blah. That is this bit here is a structured snippet extension. It basically, you have predefined headers, which is what this services bit is. It might have brands, destinations, there's quite a few, and then you manually enter the options that you want to be listed after that particular heading. Now, as with all the other videos in this section, I'll link to one up here which I've recorded previously that talks more about structured snippets, shows you how to create them, and then you can see all the different options in there for the types of structured snippets that you can display. But a really, really valuable way to just give more information really about the services, the products, and the options that you have on offer to add real value to the people searching, and hopefully to encourage them if they see something there that really interests them on top of what you've written in your ad, then they're more likely to click on your ad for you to get that customer. So those are structured snippets, and you need to, as with all these extensions, you need to make sure that you are using them as well as you can, as many options as you can. Don't forget, you can have more than one structured snippet in a particular campaign or ad group or account. So really start to think about how you can use these. And as I say, watch the video up here to get more information and to actually see a step-by-step instruction video on how to create them within your account. So there we go. That's it for today. Don't forget, please comment below if you have any questions or if you have any topics that you'd like me to cover. Now, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next checklist video. Take care now.